Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see how to configure the Android emulator in macOS. Now we have to install two software, the SAM control panel and Android Studio. So first install the SAM control panel. So go to the browser. So enter the SAMP install and then click the link. Here you can select the version. And click the download button. Once you do that, the downloader will be started. Now you can getting this page. So right click this and then click the open button. Here you can enter the Mac password. Then click the next. Now the installation will be started. Then click the finish button. Now you can getting this page. Next install the Android Studio. So go to the browser. So enter Android Studio install. And then click the download button. Here you can see the terms and conditions. Then tick the agree. Now the installation is started. Now drag and drop the Android Studio into applications. Next go to the applications. Click the SAM folder and then click the HD docs. Here you can create the project path. So creating a new folder. Here you can paste your project. So click the project. Here you can see the Android SRC folder, APK file, SQL file, readme text and then web file. So click the readme text. Here you can see the database name and then project folder. Here you can see the database name and then project URLs. Go to the launch pad. Here you can open the XAMPP. Here you can start the MySQL database and Apache web server. Next click go to application. Then click the PHP MyAdmin. Now you can create the database. So click the database. Here you can enter the database name. And then select the UTF-8 bin. Then click the create button. Once you do that, it will be created. Now we can import the SQL files. Now we can import the SQL file. Click the import button and then choose the SQL files. And then click the import button. Once you do that, it will be created. Left side you can able to see the backend database tables. Click the table name, you can view the data. Next go to the launch pad. Here you can search the Android Studio. So open the Android Studio. Now you can get in this page. So here you can open your project folder. So go to the applications. And then go to the XAMPP folder. And then click the HD docs. And then click the project. Here you can open your folder. Open the Android SRC. So select the Android SRC, then click the open button. Once you do that, it will be open. Here you can see the project delivery files. Here you can explore the web folder. Then you can see the HTML file. Next click the device manager. Here you can run the emulator. So click the launch button. Your emulator will be open. Or if you want to create a new virtual devices, click the plus icon and then click the create virtual devices. Here you can select the category like phone, tablet, desktop or anything. So I would like to select the phone. Next, select the device definition. So I have to select the Nexus 1 3.7. So click the Nexus 1, then click the next. Here you can select the system image. I have to select the Android 13.0 version. Here you can untick the enable device frame. Then click the finish button. It will be open. What are the visual devices it has been created, you can see here. So click the launch button. The emulator will be opened. Drag and drop the APK file into the emulator. Once you do that, it will be installed. So click the project, you can view the project homepage. So this is how to configuration the Android emulator in macOS.
Code shopping.